Lush forested mountain ranges. Fresh, invigorating air filled with the scent of hundreds of pine trees and the most stunning views all around. Who knew you could find all these just a short drive away from the city? Located just over an hour away from bustling Manila, at 2,000 feet above sea level, lies Tagaytay City, a popular destination known for its year-round cool climate. At its pinnacle lies a premier estate that takes life to a whole new level. Welcome to a world of unparalleled leisure and luxury. Welcome to Tagaytay Highlands. A breathtaking location spread across 1,280 hectares, Tagaytay Highlands offers 2 world-class golf courses, a country club, over 20 restaurants, and premium residential communities, putting it at par with the world's most popular travel and leisure destinations. Nothing starts off your Highlands weekend better than a round of golf at one of 2 world-class championship golf courses. The Tagaytay Highlands International Golf Club is one of Asia's most exciting golf courses, located along the highest elevations of the Highlands. The all-weather Tagaytay Midlands Golf Club offers picture-perfect views of the Taal Lake and volcano. Non-golfing family members, on the other hand, may head off to the country club for a variety of leisure and recreation activities that are perfect for family bonding. Take a dip at the swimming pool or splash around with the kids at the kiddie pool. Spend quiet moments waiting for the fish to bite at the fishing pier. If you're looking for something more active, the Sports Center is a perfect place for you. Shoot some hoops at the basketball court. Unleash your most powerful smashes at the badminton court. Test your speed and reflexes at the tennis court. Or check your precision and focus with a bowling game or two. At Tagaytay Highlands, bonding time becomes extra special amidst the rich flora and fauna. Relax at the animal farm, where your kids don't only see the animals, they can pet and play with them too. There's also an equestrian park, where your kids can have their first horseback riding experience. Have fun hopping around Tagaytay Highlands with the Swiss Funicular and cable cars. Delight your taste buds with a wide selection of delicious cuisine from one of over 20 restaurants. And at the end of the day, unwind with a soothing massage at the Spa and Lodge. Tagaytay Highlands is not just a vacation spot. Here, you may also hold your business events like conferences, team building, and planning activities. While you nourish your mind and body, don't forget to nurture your spirit as well. Refresh your soul at strategically located places of worship within the complex. Tagaytay Highlands is also a popular wedding destination. It offers an unforgettable backdrop for the wedding of your dreams. With everything it has to offer, it's easy to see why people love coming back to Tagaytay Highlands. Our more discerning families have even opted to make a home in one of the 3 premium residential enclaves here. The Highlands is the first of these 3 enclaves. It offers a seamless fusion of leisure and luxury along Tagaytay's highest elevation. Think charming log cabins and contemporary ski resort-inspired buildings that share the landscape with pine forests and lush mountain ranges. Choose from various well-appointed residences. Seemingly rustic on the outside, these homes are all fully fitted with every modern convenience on the inside. While each residential community at the Highlands offers something different, they all possess an unparalleled view, creating a truly enviable leisure home. Going down the mountain range takes us to another sought-after enclave, the Midlands. Here, a variety of themed communities, inspired by architecture and culture from different countries, create a picture of a truly international community. No matter where you've been or what you've seen, coming home will always be special. Imagine bringing what you love about the world home with you. This is how life unfolds at the Midlands. Finally, we come to the Greenlands, the third residential enclave in Tagaytay Highlands. Here, life is pared down to the simplest joys and purest moments, letting you live a well-balanced lifestyle that focuses on the things that matter. Go back to basics and rediscover a less complicated, more balanced lifestyle at the Greenlands. 3 distinct residential enclaves. Two world-class golf courses. And a country club. Over 20 delightful restaurants. And an endless selection of sports and leisure amenities for the whole family. Imagine all these complemented by stunning views and unmatched levels of luxury, making for a truly refreshing way to live. It's no wonder then that when people look for a luxurious leisure escape, all roads lead to one destination: Tagaytay Highlands.